Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to turn off restricted settings to protect privacy on TikTok. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that you have to do, open your TikTok apps on your phone and then hit the profile button. It's at the right bottom in the corner of your screen, and then you have to tap the three line in the upper right and choose settings and privacy here. After that, in settings and privacy, you have to scroll it down a bit more and tap digital well-being. This option is located under content and privacy. I'm gonna tap it right now. Here you will find restricted mode. You have to tap on it and tap turn off restricted mode. And then in this page you have to enter your passcode and click this icon, and finally your restricted mode is off. So guys, this is the process to turn off restricted settings on TikTok. I hope this video will helpful. Thanks for watching. Leave your comment in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.